Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Mari kita latih bersama-sama kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kamu akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Ayo, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
This concept is easy to understand actually. This concept is easy to understand actually.
Konsep ini sebenarnya mudah dipahami.
I have a plan for weekend. I have a plan for weekend.
Aku punya rencana untuk akhir pekan.
Good actions bring positive results. Good actions bring positive results.
Tindakan baik membawa hasil yang positif.
I need to deal with this issue today. I need to deal with this issue today.
Saya harus menangani masalah ini hari ini.
The truth is sometimes hard to accept. The truth is sometimes hard to accept.
Kebenaran terkadang sulit diterima.
She has a kind manner with everyone. She has a kind manner with everyone.
Dia memiliki sikap yang baik dengan semua orang.
His method of cooking is simple but delicious. His method of cooking is simple but delicious.
Metode memasaknya sederhana tapi lezat.
Walking is a simple form of exercise. Walking is a simple form of exercise.
Berjalan adalah bentuk olahraga yang sederhana.
He borrowed a tool from his neighbor. He borrowed a tool from his neighbor.
Dia meminjam alat dari tetangganya.
My mom loves a spotless living room. My mom loves a spotless living room.
Ibuku suka ruang tamu yang bersih.
The client wants a meeting tomorrow morning. The client wants a meeting tomorrow morning.
Klien ingin rapat besok pagi.
He wants to trade his old phone. He wants to trade his old phone.
Dia ingin menukar ponsel lamanya.
The customer wants a refund today. The customer wants a refund today.
Pelanggan menginginkan pengembalian dana hari ini.
I need to save money for college. I need to save money for college.
Aku harus menabung uang untuk kuliah.
You should practice speaking every day. You should practice speaking every day.
Kamu seharusnya berlatih berbicara setiap hari.
A stubborn person rarely changes easily. A stubborn person rarely changes easily.
Orang keras kepala jarang berubah dengan mudah.
He helps distribute clothes to the needy. He helps distribute clothes to the needy.
Dia membantu membagikan pakaian kepada yang membutuhkan.
They will resume training next Monday. They will resume training next Monday.
Mereka akan melanjutkan latihan Senin depan.
He has a positive attitude towards life. He has a positive attitude towards life.
Dia memiliki sikap positif terhadap kehidupan.
He apologized after their big quarrel. He apologized after their big quarrel.
Dia meminta maaf setelah pertengkaran besar mereka.
He stopped his unhealthy eating habits. He stopped his unhealthy eating habits.
Dia menghentikan kebiasaan makannya yang tidak sehat.
Always be a genuine and honest person. Always be a genuine and honest person.
Selalu jadilah orang yang tulus dan jujur.
They asked for proof of my identity. They asked for proof of my identity.
Mereka meminta bukti identitas saya.
His skin looked yellowish when sick. His skin looked yellowish when sick.
Kulitnya tampak kekuningan saat sakit.
He made a serious mistake at work. He made a serious mistake at work.
Dia membuat kesalahan serius di tempat kerja.
The box is too heavy to lift. The box is too heavy to lift.
Kotak itu terlalu berat untuk diangkat.
The table is made of solid wood. The table is made of solid wood.
Meja itu terbuat dari kayu yang keras.
The sequence of steps was easy to follow. The sequence of steps was easy to follow.
Rangkaian langkah-langkah itu mudah diikuti.
They dispose of unwanted items yearly. They dispose of unwanted items yearly.
Mereka membuang barang tidak terpakai setiap tahun.
They faced the storm with dauntless hearts. They faced the storm with dauntless hearts.
Mereka menghadapi badai dengan hati yang berani.
Learning a language may involve practice. Learning a language may involve practice.
Belajar bahasa mungkin melibatkan banyak latihan.
She ran to hug her best friend. She ran to hug her best friend.
Dia berlari untuk memeluk sahabatnya.
We need more funds to start this project. We need more funds to start this project.
Kita butuh lebih banyak dana untuk proyek ini.
Being unwell, he skipped the meeting. Being unwell, he skipped the meeting.
Karena tidak sehat, dia melewatkan rapat.
I need to withdraw cash from ATM. I need to withdraw cash from ATM.
Aku perlu tarik tunai dari ATM.
She laughed at the immature prank. She laughed at the immature prank.
Dia tertawa melihat lelucon yang kekanak-kanakan itu.
This song is an original, not a remake. This song is an original, not a remake.
Lagu ini asli, bukan hasil daur ulang.
The police found clear evidence yesterday. The police found clear evidence yesterday.
Polisi menemukan bukti yang jelas kemarin.
She was the only witness at the scene. She was the only witness at the scene.
Dia satu-satunya saksi di tempat kejadian.
His behavior towards others is always kind. His behavior towards others is always kind.
Tindakannya terhadap orang lain selalu baik.
A happy buyer will return again. A happy buyer will return again.
Pembeli yang puas akan kembali lagi.
I have no regrets about my purchase. I have no regrets about my purchase.
Saya tidak menyesal dengan pembelian saya.
He made a critical decision at work. He made a critical decision at work.
Dia membuat keputusan penting di tempat kerja.
He tends to grizzle when feeling sick. He tends to grizzle when feeling sick.
Dia cenderung merengek saat merasa sakit.
He likes to boast about his achievements at work. He likes to boast about his achievements at work.
Dia suka membanggakan pencapaiannya di tempat kerja.
Her calm temperament makes her a great leader. Her calm temperament makes her a great leader.
Temperamennya yang tenang membuatnya menjadi pemimpin yang hebat.
She is resilient and never gives up despite challenges. She is resilient and never gives up despite challenges.
Dia tangguh dan tidak pernah menyerah meski ada tantangan.
The force of the wind knocked down the trees. The force of the wind knocked down the trees.
Kekuatan angin merobohkan pohon-pohon itu.
She wears a beautiful silver necklace. She wears a beautiful silver necklace.
Dia memakai kalung perak yang cantik.
Parents always want to protect their children from harm. Parents always want to protect their children from harm.
Orang tua selalu ingin melindungi anak-anak mereka dari bahaya.
The bridge was weak and unsafe to cross. The bridge was weak and unsafe to cross.
Jembatan itu rapuh dan tidak aman untuk dilalui.
The splendor of the sunset took our breath away. The splendor of the sunset took our breath away.
Keindahan matahari terbenam itu membuat kami terpesona.
I changed the channel to watch my favorite show. I changed the channel to watch my favorite show.
Saya mengganti saluran untuk menonton acara favorit saya.
The new phone has a great camera function. The new phone has a great camera function.
Ponsel baru itu memiliki fungsi kamera yang hebat.
The measure of success is hard to define. The measure of success is hard to define.
Ukuran keberhasilan sulit untuk didefinisikan.
She looked at him with admiration in her eyes. She looked at him with admiration in her eyes.
Dia menatapnya dengan kekaguman di matanya.
She gave a standard response to all questions. She gave a standard response to all questions.
Dia memberikan jawaban standar untuk semua pertanyaan.
A good synopsis saves time for readers. A good synopsis saves time for readers.
Ringkasan yang baik menghemat waktu bagi pembaca.
I have enough money for lunch today. I have enough money for lunch today.
Aku punya cukup uang untuk makan siang hari ini.
Good development needs time and effort. Good development needs time and effort.
Perkembangan yang baik butuh waktu dan usaha.
The idea he proposed sounds like nonsense. The idea he proposed sounds like nonsense.
Ide yang dia ajukan terdengar seperti omong kosong.
The machine dispenses coffee with just one button press. The machine dispenses coffee with just one button press.
Mesin itu mengeluarkan kopi hanya dengan satu kali tekan tombol.
The testimony was recorded for further investigation. The testimony was recorded for further investigation.
Kesaksian itu direkam untuk penyelidikan lebih lanjut.
There are many species of birds in this forest. There are many species of birds in this forest.
Ada banyak spesies burung di hutan ini.
We just got a new subscriber today. We just got a new subscriber today.
Kita dapat subscriber baru hari ini.
Digital currency is popular these days. Digital currency is popular these days.
Mata uang digital populer saat ini.
They built a shelter to protect themselves from the rain. They built a shelter to protect themselves from the rain.
Mereka membangun tempat berlindung untuk melindungi diri dari hujan.
We need to test the validity of this theory. We need to test the validity of this theory.
Kita perlu menguji keabsahan teori ini.
He believes in the power of holy water. He believes in the power of holy water.
Dia percaya pada kekuatan air suci.
She placed a strip of wood here. She placed a strip of wood here.
Dia meletakkan selembar kayu di sini.
They talked about finances last night. They talked about finances last night.
Mereka berbicara tentang keuangan tadi malam.
She rehearsed lines before the audition. She rehearsed lines before the audition.
Dia berlatih dialog sebelum audisi.
The river was bubbling after the rain. The river was bubbling after the rain.
Sungainya berbuih setelah hujan turun.
Every country has a unique custom. Every country has a unique custom.
Setiap negara punya kebiasaan unik.
The dimensions of the box are 30 by 30 by 30 centimeters. The dimensions of the box are 30 by 30 by 30 centimeters.
Dimensi kotak itu adalah 30 kali 30 kali 30 cm.
His character in the story is funny. His character in the story is funny.
Karakternya dalam cerita itu lucu.
Is this price fair for both sides? Is this price fair for both sides?
Apakah harga ini adil untuk kedua pihak?
He was talking rubbish during the meeting. He was talking rubbish during the meeting.
Dia berbicara omong kosong selama pertemuan.
She put the letter inside the envelope and sealed it. She put the letter inside the envelope and sealed it.
Dia memasukkan surat ke dalam amplop dan menyegelnya.
They thanked him for his benefaction. They thanked him for his benefaction.
Mereka berterima kasih atas donasinya.
We need to assess the situation carefully. We need to assess the situation carefully.
Kita perlu mengevaluasi situasi dengan hati-hati.
With perceptivity, you understand feelings better. With perceptivity, you understand feelings better.
Dengan kepekaan, kamu lebih memahami perasaan.
He experienced an intense pain in his chest. He experienced an intense pain in his chest.
Dia merasakan sakit yang kuat di dadanya.
A compendium of recipes helps new cooks. A compendium of recipes helps new cooks.
Kumpulan resep membantu juru masak baru.
The construction site is very busy. The construction site is very busy.
Lokasi konstruksi itu sangat sibuk.
The company shows strong growth this year. The company shows strong growth this year.
Perusahaan menunjukkan pertumbuhan kuat tahun ini.
The chemicals are dangerous if not handled properly. The chemicals are dangerous if not handled properly.
Bahan kimia itu berbahaya jika tidak ditangani dengan benar.
They appraised the house before buying it. They appraised the house before buying it.
Mereka menilai rumah itu sebelum membelinya.
Understanding each other makes us happy. Understanding each other makes us happy.
Saling memahami membuat kita bahagia.
She felt imprisoned in her own home. She felt imprisoned in her own home.
Dia merasa terkurung di rumahnya sendiri.
The chef decided to blanch the tomatoes. The chef decided to blanch the tomatoes.
Koki memutuskan untuk merebus tomat sebentar.
Nature's majesty is seen in waterfalls. Nature's majesty is seen in waterfalls.
Keagungan alam terlihat pada air terjun.
The hotel offers a pristine environment. The hotel offers a pristine environment.
Hotel itu menawarkan lingkungan yang bersih.
The security guard checked everyone at the entrance. The security guard checked everyone at the entrance.
Petugas keamanan memeriksa semua orang di pintu masuk.
The law imposes a restriction on fishing. The law imposes a restriction on fishing.
Hukum menetapkan batasan untuk memancing.
Many rituals take place in sacred sites. Many rituals take place in sacred sites.
Banyak ritual dilakukan di tempat suci.
The company is known for sterling service. The company is known for sterling service.
Perusahaan itu dikenal dengan pelayanan terbaiknya.
They want a better future for generations. They want a better future for generations.
Mereka menginginkan masa depan yang lebih baik untuk generasi-generasi mendatang.
He acts like a child, not an adult. He acts like a child, not an adult.
Dia bertingkah seperti anak-anak, bukan seperti orang dewasa.
The teacher prefers concise explanations. The teacher prefers concise explanations.
Guru lebih suka penjelasan yang singkat.
The judge decided to imprison the criminal for years. The judge decided to imprison the criminal for years.
Hakim memutuskan untuk memenjarakan penjahat itu bertahun-tahun.
He tightened his belt before starting the workout. He tightened his belt before starting the workout.
Dia mengencangkan ikat pinggangnya sebelum mulai latihan.
She wore a girdle under her dress. She wore a girdle under her dress.
Dia mengenakan korset di bawah gaunnya.
We crossed the boundary without permission. We crossed the boundary without permission.
Kami melintasi perbatasan tanpa izin.
He gauged the depth of the water carefully. He gauged the depth of the water carefully.
Dia mengukur kedalaman air dengan hati-hati.
She gave a pure smile of happiness. She gave a pure smile of happiness.
Dia memberikan senyuman murni penuh kebahagiaan.
He grumbled when his food was cold. He grumbled when his food was cold.
Dia menggerutu ketika makanannya dingin.
The crowd rumbled with excitement. The crowd rumbled with excitement.
Kerumunan itu bergemuruh dengan semangat.
The bird zoomed across the sky. The bird zoomed across the sky.
Burung itu terbang cepat melintasi langit.
The walls were made of thick stone. The walls were made of thick stone.
Dinding-dinding itu terbuat dari batu yang tebal.
This job is tough but rewarding. This job is tough but rewarding.
Pekerjaan ini sulit tapi memuaskan.
The mashed potatoes were too soupy to serve. The mashed potatoes were too soupy to serve.
Kentang tumbuknya terlalu encer untuk disajikan.
The Senate will vote on the bill next week. The Senate will vote on the bill next week.
Senat akan memberikan suara untuk RUU itu minggu depan.
The juvenile was sent to a youth center. The juvenile was sent to a youth center.
Anak muda itu dikirim ke pusat pembinaan remaja.
The limit of this offer is 50 items. The limit of this offer is 50 items.
Batas dari penawaran ini adalah 50 barang.
We are constrained by strict rules. We are constrained by strict rules.
Kami dibatasi oleh peraturan yang ketat.
She washed the pillowcase to keep it clean and fresh. She washed the pillowcase to keep it clean and fresh.
Dia mencuci sarung bantal agar tetap bersih dan segar.
She removed the wrapper from the chocolate bar. She removed the wrapper from the chocolate bar.
Dia melepas bungkus coklat batangan itu.
He wrote the answers on the blackboard. He wrote the answers on the blackboard.
Dia menulis jawabannya di papan tulis.
The swollen area on his leg was painful. The swollen area on his leg was painful.
Bagian yang membengkak di kakinya terasa sakit.
The crowd was so dense that we could hardly move. The crowd was so dense that we could hardly move.
Kerumunan itu sangat padat sehingga kami hampir tidak bisa bergerak.
The bread was doughy in the middle. The bread was doughy in the middle.
Roti itu masih mentah di bagian tengahnya.
That landmark has great cultural prominence. That landmark has great cultural prominence.
Bangunan itu memiliki keunggulan budaya yang besar.
She poured the concentrated syrup into the jar. She poured the concentrated syrup into the jar.
Dia menuangkan sirup kental itu ke dalam toples.
The house had vinyl siding for protection. The house had vinyl siding for protection.
Rumah itu memiliki lapisan vinil untuk perlindungan.
The animals were seen near the border of the forest. The animals were seen near the border of the forest.
Hewan-hewan itu terlihat di dekat perbatasan hutan.
He removed a splinter from the chair. He removed a splinter from the chair.
Dia menghilangkan serpihan dari kursi itu.
We need to scale the design for printing. We need to scale the design for printing.
Kita perlu menyesuaikan skala desain untuk pencetakan.
He composed a beautiful piece of music. He composed a beautiful piece of music.
Dia mengubah sebuah karya musik yang indah.
A slab of ice floated on the water. A slab of ice floated on the water.
Sebuah lempengan es mengapung di atas air.
The rocket ascended into the atmosphere. The rocket ascended into the atmosphere.
Roket itu naik ke atmosfer.
The mixture was too pasty to use for baking. The mixture was too pasty to use for baking.
Campuran itu terlalu kental untuk digunakan memanggang.
The sallow moonlight cast an eerie glow. The sallow moonlight cast an eerie glow.
Cahaya bulan yang pucat memancarkan sinar yang menyeramkan.
The rabbit had a tuft of fur on its tail. The rabbit had a tuft of fur on its tail.
Kelinci itu memiliki gumpalan bulu di ekornya.
The room looks great after the planking. The room looks great after the planking.
Ruangan ini terlihat bagus setelah pemasangan papan kayu.
He was grateful for nature's bounty. He was grateful for nature's bounty.
Dia bersyukur atas anugerah alam.
She opened her arms to embrace her best friend. She opened her arms to embrace her best friend.
Dia membuka tangannya untuk memeluk sahabatnya.
Condensed knowledge is often useful. Condensed knowledge is often useful.
Pengetahuan yang terkonsentrasi seringkali berguna.
His supremacy in chess is undeniable. His supremacy in chess is undeniable.
Keunggulannya dalam catur tidak terbantahkan.
The road was bumpy and lumpy. The road was bumpy and lumpy.
Jalannya bergelombang dan penuh gundukan.
The sticky note is still on the wall. The sticky note is still on the wall.
Catatan tempel itu masih ada di dinding.
The gummy candy stuck to my fingers. The gummy candy stuck to my fingers.
Permen kenyal itu menempel di jari-jariku.
Her cheeks swelled when she smiled. Her cheeks swelled when she smiled.
Pipinya tampak membulat saat dia tersenyum.
She is part of the student council. She is part of the student council.
Dia adalah bagian dari dewan siswa.
The king's chamber was very luxurious. The king's chamber was very luxurious.
Kamar raja itu sangat mewah.
He dreamed of exploring a new frontier. He dreamed of exploring a new frontier.
Dia bermimpi menjelajahi wilayah baru.
The honk ran past the crowd during the race. The honk ran past the crowd during the race.
Pria gagah itu berlari melewati kerumunan saat perlombaan.
The park encompasses a large area with many attractions. The park encompasses a large area with many attractions.
Taman itu mencakup area yang luas dengan banyak atraksi.
A flake of chocolate was on the cake. A flake of chocolate was on the cake.
Sebuah serpihan coklat ada di atas kue.
His laconic text confused his friends. His laconic text confused his friends.
Pesannya yang singkat membuat teman-temannya bingung.
She served a small portion of dessert to each guest. She served a small portion of dessert to each guest.
Dia menyajikan seporsi kecil hidangan penutup untuk setiap tamu.
They studied fragments of ancient pottery. They studied fragments of ancient pottery.
Mereka mempelajari pecahan-pecahan tembikar kuno.
He sharpened the blade of his knife before cooking. He sharpened the blade of his knife before cooking.
Dia mengasah pisau sebelum memasak.
He pulled off a strip of paper. He pulled off a strip of paper.
Dia menarik selembar kertas.
She took his feelings into consideration before deciding. She took his feelings into consideration before deciding.
Dia mempertimbangkan perasaannya sebelum memutuskan.
The hunter sold the hide of the deer. The hunter sold the hide of the deer.
Pemburu itu menjual kulit rusa itu.
She looked sallow after being ill for days. She looked sallow after being ill for days.
Dia tampak pucat setelah sakit selama beberapa hari.
Some names are abbreviated for convenience. Some names are abbreviated for convenience.
Beberapa nama disingkat untuk kemudahan.
The peel of the banana is yellow. The peel of the banana is yellow.
Kulit pisang itu berwarna kuning.
The book has a beautiful cover. The book has a beautiful cover.
Buku itu memiliki sampul yang indah.
His scruff made him look unkempt. His scruff made him look unkempt.
Jambangnya membuatnya tampak tidak terawat.
The adhesive residue was hard to remove. The adhesive residue was hard to remove.
Sisa perekatnya sulit untuk dihilangkan.
The hikers finally reached the crest of the mountain. The hikers finally reached the crest of the mountain.
Para pendaki akhirnya mencapai puncak gunung itu.
The city was known for its ancient glory. The city was known for its ancient glory.
Kota ini terkenal karena kejayaannya di masa lampau.
The tight shoes began to chafe her feet after walking. The tight shoes began to chafe her feet after walking.
Sepatu ketat itu mulai membuat kakinya lecet setelah berjalan.
The storm thrashed the coastal area. The storm thrashed the coastal area.
Badai itu menghantam daerah pesisir.
She skinned the apple before eating it. She skinned the apple before eating it.
Dia mengupas apel itu sebelum memakannya.
The presentation seemed tacky and unprofessional. The presentation seemed tacky and unprofessional.
Presentasinya terlihat murahan dan tidak profesional.
The grandeur of the ancient temple amazed the visitors. The grandeur of the ancient temple amazed the visitors.
Kemegahan kuil kuno itu membuat para pengunjung takjub.
The team plans to outplay their next opponents. The team plans to outplay their next opponents.
Tim itu berencana untuk mengalahkan lawan mereka berikutnya.
The gloves are made from leather. The gloves are made from leather.
Sarung tangan itu terbuat dari kulit.
The nation celebrated the victory in the war. The nation celebrated the victory in the war.
Bangsa itu merayakan kemenangan dalam perang.
The storm denuded the trees of their leaves. The storm denuded the trees of their leaves.
Badai itu membuat pohon-pohon kehilangan daunnya.
The sticker is too clingy to peel off easily. The sticker is too clingy to peel off easily.
Stikernya terlalu lengket dan sulit untuk dilepas.
She triumphed over all challenges. She triumphed over all challenges.
Dia meraih kemenangan atas semua tantangan.
They served sausages at the barbecue. They served sausages at the barbecue.
Mereka menyajikan sosis di pesta barbeque.
He plastered his arm after falling. He plastered his arm after falling.
Dia membalut lengannya setelah terjatuh.
That's just baloney, nothing else. That's just baloney, nothing else.
Itu hanya omong kosong, tidak ada yang lain.
She read a passage from her favorite book aloud. She read a passage from her favorite book aloud.
Dia membacakan sebuah kutipan dari buku favoritnya dengan lantang.
The team worked with wholehearted enthusiasm. The team worked with wholehearted enthusiasm.
Tim itu bekerja dengan antusiasme sepenuh hati.